Bible reading Revelation chapter 16, verse 8 and 9. And the fourth angel poured out his vial upon the sun, and power was given unto him to scorch men with fire. And men were scorched with great heat, and blasphemed the name of God, which hath power over these plagues, and they repented not to give him glory. It's hot, it's wet, it's wild. How do you think climate change is going? Well, here are the basics. First, it's getting hotter. Since the Industrial Revolution, we humans have increased the global average temperature by 1 degree. 1 degree doesn't sound like much, but it's enough to cause more heat waves, more droughts, and more floods. And 90% of that extra heat has gone into the oceans, causing rising sea levels and less snow and ice in the Arctic. And the trend is getting steeper. Every year, we're adding 4.5 Hiroshima atomic bombs of heat to the atmosphere every second. And 80% of that extra heat is going into the oceans at a rate of 36 Hiroshima atomic bombs per second. And this extra heat is already causing extreme weather events like the record-breaking heat waves in Europe in 2022, or the unprecedented flooding in Pakistan in 2023. Second, it's getting wetter in some places. While some regions are experiencing more droughts, others are getting more rain, leading to more floods. For example, in the United States, the Midwest and the Northeast have seen a 30% increase in heavy downpours over the last 3 decades. And globally, the amount of economic losses from extreme weather events has increased 5-fold between 1990 and 2021. And third, it's getting windier. As the temperature of the Earth's surface rises, so does the kinetic energy of the atmosphere, leading to more wind. According to a recent study, wind speeds have increased by 40% since the 1970s, and this trend is expected to continue. So there you have it, the latest on climate change in 100 seconds. But remember, these are just the averages. The actual impacts of climate change are much more complex and vary greatly depending on where you live. For example, while Europe experienced record-breaking heat in 2022, the Northern Hemisphere as a whole was actually just slightly warmer than average. So what does this mean for you? Well, it means that you should stay tuned for more updates on climate change. And if you want to learn more about the science behind these updates, follow along with the links below. Thanks for watching.